Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks again, man. I really appreciate all the stuff you sent. This is interesting. This is a Shirakiku Tonkotsu ramen cup. And if you notice this, look at that. A fork. I've never seen, usually it'd be chopsticks, but it's a fork. What's interesting too is this is a tonkotsu from Vietnam. That's interesting. I don't think I have had pho that's been from South Korea. I've had tom yum that was made for the South Korean market, which seems kind of a weird thing. But yeah. But I've never seen tonkotsu from Vietnam, nor have I seen tonkotsu from anywhere that has imagery of a fork on the packaging. It's also got an oil sachet you put in at the end. But it does come with a folding fork. This is definitely for distribution in the United States. Shirakiku is like that. That's the deal. But yeah, it's Tuesday, the 24th day of September 2024. I'm still feeling kind of crummy. We all got sick. You know, kids go to school, they come back. We like to refer to school a lot of the time as the incubator. Wow. I did all the dishes, but I haven't unloaded them yet. I need that. And I need that. Alright. But yeah, I went out, did some walking. It's like, I'm guessing the humidity is starting to go away. That was weird. My Bluetooth just went on and off and on and off. Maybe I need a new Bluetooth. Is this the old one? Yeah, this is the old one. It's got a problem with the switch. It's like the switch got really sticky. I swear to God, Bluetooth, man. These things are great because, God, when the kids were little, let me tell you, changing diapers and having a Bluetooth, they should just come with babies. The baby's born, here's your Bluetooth. What else is going on today? Oh, yeah, so our Fire TV stick just crapped out all of a sudden. It had an update and it just went. And so I just had to go through the whole rigmarole of getting a new one. But we had a Fire TV 4K Max, and they're $60, but then they took off $30, and I'm doing a trade-in of the broken old one, so I get another like $6 off. I don't know, folks. It's all pops and buzzes from here. But yeah. Yep. So I'm just trying to, and then we've got, I think it was yesterday's show I was mentioning we had trouble with Walmart ordering for our groceries, and that seems to have been fixed. And so now we have to, I gotta run through these reviews quick because the delivery window is between noon and 2. Then I gotta run down to the UPS store with my packaged old broken Fire TV stick and do that, return it. But what sucks is generally I would figure that the new Fire TV stick would be here same day. We usually get same day for a lot of stuff, but not that. So I got to figure out a way how to pair my phone with the TV so we can watch the Giants game, the San Francisco Giants. We hate football, but we like baseball. So, yeah. A lot of junk going on today. Busy. And I've still got that unboxing that I need to do for those neat paper forks I was talking about. That's definitely mission critical. I found a weird noodle that I'm kind of on my last chance for somebody to send something for me to review for number 5,000. And if they don't, then that's what it's going to be. I found it at the Dollar Tree. It's like this, like really generic looking chicken instant noodle. A pack of 4 of them was $1.25. Here's our noodle. Vietnamese Tonkotsu. Let's give it a shot. You know, I'm not feeling grumpy about this. Ow! It's good. That's better than expected. Very more like chowdery. Oh, whoa! There goes my Bluetooth again. Like it's shutting itself off and turning itself back on again. I guess I need to order another Bluetooth. I like to have 2 on hand. But I have these things stuck in my ear literally all day long. But this is good. If you see this one around and you want Tonkotsu to enjoy on the go, I would recommend this. This isn't bad at all. Just kind of an odd config. But we're not on the go. We're in the kitchen, so let's do this up nicely. Nicely, handsomely now. Yes. I don't have any narutomaki to pretty up the bowl with today. It's in the fridge. It's I still have to slice it. It comes in like a cane. I do have chashu. Snap cabbage. Slapping. And I do have egg. Let's egg it on. Dude, I really like these eggs. Finally, my local grocer has eggs that I freaking adore. Look at that. Nice dark yolk. All the eggs in this 12-pack were blue. The blue ones seem to have nice, rich, deep-colored, almost reddish yolks, and I like that. I like the look of that. A little bit of seed. Very little bit of seed. I'm in the mood. I'm gonna add some Malaysian stuff here. Right about there. Crikey. They look good to me. Yeah, this is a decent little Tonkotsu cup. Noodles hydrated well. Everything seems to be happy. I'm happy. So let's rotato. Okay, so thanks for watching. The next one we got is this Myojo Charumera El Mori Stamina Sauce Garlic or Stamina Sauce Shio Yakisoba. Yeah, that's the Stamina Sauce right there. Anyway, that's going to be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.